Hello everyone, this is Chinmay from Makeover Clinic. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you if in old bullets, I'm talking about particularly those bullets which were having single nut based clutch casing. I'm not talking about TCI, I'm talking about particularly old CDI and CBI CB point CB point motorcycle. I'm sorry. So here most of the time what we have seen that the leakage becomes too much. So what's the reason? Number one, if of course most of the people knows about it that there is an O-ring given for the clutch case, right? So for the primary case. So if the O-ring is got pressed because of the pressure, then of course it will leak. Of course every time you will have to replace this ring. But even after replacement, if you say like you are having too much of leakage, then what could be the problem? The issue is sometimes what happens when you it's a single nut based fitment. So what happens when you are applying the pressure on the case through the center? So there is a possibility because over the period it is not like when the company manufactures it, it is in 0 surface, right? So when you compress the clutch casing, what happens, the surface or the case itself gets warped. Because of the warpage you may face that problem. Of course there is tolerance company has given, right? Because when you press, so there will be some gap in between both the cases, inner and extra outer case. So there is a possibility that if the case is warped, then you will have leakage issue. If the O-ring is gone, then you will have leakage issue. If the case has got a lot of serration, or if you have some kind of adhesive or something, if the surface is abnormal, then also you will have this leakage issue. So let's just check out the video how to get rid of such kind of a problem. I'm going to show you how to clean the clutch case outer casing if there is a if the surface has got a lot of dents or kind of, not metal dents, whatever the adhesive you use basically. Because of that, what happens? So I'll show you in the video.
So this is the clutch case, outer clutch casing. As you can see on the edge, there are a lot of debris. I guess old mechanic must have used some kind of a adhesive. So due to that, I'm unable to stop the leakage. So I'm going to just clean it up by using my hand grinder. Of course, I'll be using 3M roll-off bristle disc, so which is the best for cleaning purpose. Let me just prepare. This is a roll-off bristle disc, used quite extensively, but still working. So once you fix up in your hand grinder, then you can easily clean the surface without denting or marking that clutch face. You have to do it thoroughly, and important thing that don't put too much pressure while cleaning. It just get rid of immediately. As you can see, the surface started shining again. I haven't checked the warpage because I cannot, because there are a lot of debris, as you can see. So 101% I'll see some kind of a warp, but after cleaning, then if you want, you can check if you have the surface plate. This tool is very easy to use, and in fact it gives you very best output. As you can see, it's cleaning thoroughly. On the surface plate only you can check the warpage with the help of feeler gauge if it requires. See, if you use some kind of a scraper or something, you can, but unless until if the scraper has got some scraper is plastic made or something. If you use metal, then you have to be very careful, because it may dent that milling surface and then it will leak again, and then there is no remedy. So you have to keep on cleaning around. Roll-lock is best, what I found. I've been using around from last almost I guess 10 years, wherever and whenever it required. So as you can see, it's cleaning very thoroughly without denting the surface. There are two types of I do have. One is for the hard surface and one is for hard surface, in the sense just in case if the gasket is like stuck or glued very badly on the surface, then of course you'll have to use that. But since this is not that kind of a stuff, so I'm using just normal bristle disc. Very beautiful product and easy to use. Of course you need pneumatic for that, because pneumatic hand grinders are very high speed, so you need very high speed. Don't forget to keep that thing on the cloth or something to avoid the surface damage. I'm using old thermocol box which came from the company side for the block. If you want, you can use foam wheel, which will not damage the surface. This is for further cleaning. You have to be very careful with those equipments, because these are high speed equipments. You may get hurt, so you must learn everything. So I'm just polishing the surface again to get the smooth surface. You can see the difference between both the surfaces. You have to be very careful. As you can see, it's cleaning thoroughly now. So smooth surface is the only what we require, because that is going to help us to avoid the leakage. So the sealing will be perfect. Unless and until you are absolutely equipped with tools and machines, you can't operate your workshop properly, because those tools are going to give you very high end output and perfect output. Of course, after this you have to wash out the clutch case to remove all the debris of that flywheel. As you can see, a lot of fiber is now on the surface, got stuck on the oily surface. So just do it later on, but before that, first check the case thoroughly. If it requires, you can re-clean the surface, or else you can go ahead or good to go for final fitting. If it leaks, then definitely you will have to use the surface plate and the high grit paper to remove the warpage if it is there. Can do it on surface grinder also, but you need to have a fixture for that, but that is not possible because the surface is not flat, it has got dome shape, so you will have to make special fixture for that. So this is the best way which I found to clean the clutch case, outer case. Very simple method, very effective, and you can salvage everything properly. Just doing some air wash. Very high end cleaning. No dents, no cutting, nothing. Smooth surface.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and you just saw that too much of abnormal surface was there, so because of that the leakage was too much, right? So of course you have to take care of all those things. These are very small things, but it can create a big issue on the road. These bikes require very special touch every time. See, I'm like level base, trying my level base to maintain, but of course it's an old machine, so you have to take care a lot, and you have to treat the machine every time different way. It is not necessary that today I have cleaned this, so tomorrow there will be no orbit. It could be anything. So this is one of the points which I have showed in the video. So thanks for watching and have a great day.